Maria.
Di Maria.
Varane.
He played for France national team.
Oy,
And
Mbappe.
then
Mbappe.
he played for Real Madrid.
Mbappe.
He played for Manchester
Never mind.
United.
You Hernandez?
He played for France. He played for Real Madrid.
That's
Dili. He played for Manchester United.
Kaka. Dili si Kaka. Brazilian
Yeah, he is a defender. Oh.
Oh, Varane.
Varane. He played for Brazil. He is a defender. He played for
Daniel Alves.
PSG.
Daniel Alves.
And then
Marquinhos.
he played for Chelsea.
Kanye. Ay, Thiago Silva.
Diyos.
I'm getting confused with
He played for Argentina.
Messi.
And then he played for Benfica.
Puyol.
Benfica.
Wait, what? Again, the first.
He played for
Di Maria.
Argentina.
Di Maria.
Di Maria.